how to log in to American Express bank account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to American Express bank account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.americanexpress.com. You will be led to the official webpage of American Express. Here, go ahead and tap on the login button on the top right of your screen, and further, you will be led to the login portal of American Express. So, go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your user ID, password, and the account type. And if you want the device to remember your user ID, then tap on the Remember Me checkbox. Finally, tap on the Login button, and with this, you will be logged into American Express bank account. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can tap on the Forgot User ID or Password option and recover your login credentials and log in further to American Express bank account. And you can also create new online account, confirm card received, and visit the Security Center or American Express from this interface itself. So, this is how you can log in to American Express bank account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Chains for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.